Well, it seems like I just keep coming back again and again and again. Welcome back to Rocky Mountain National Park. I am so happy to be back here at Rocky Mountain National Park. Now, if you guys can remember, I actually did Trail Ridge Road before. This actually in the episode called the Scenic Drive to Estes Park, I believe. So I actually did that, but as you can remember, and I'll even throw up some video right now, there was really no snow at all. So basically, I am back here when Trail Ridge Road practically just opened about like a few days ago. I am actually going to be taking Trail Ridge Road all the way over to the eastern side of the park, where I'm actually going to be camping for 2 nights here inside the park, Aspenglen Campground, and it's going to be a very fun journey. Alright guys, well, I'm here at Milner Pass. Now, there's another spot I stopped at too. Even had the Continental Divide, which you guys just saw. And like before, I came here in October. This was all water, there was no snow. And this is what it looks like. It is June 6th, I believe. Yes, Monday, June 6th. And this is what it looks like, because it is still practically winter here at Rocky Mountain National Park. I'm at the Alpine Visitor Center, and as you can see, the elevation is 11,796. I just wanted to make sure I get that right. Feet high. Temperature has dropped dramatically. From where I entered by Grand Lake, it was about 63 degrees, and up here it's about 50 or maybe upper 40s. But this is the Visitor Center, just right over there. And then I remember used to walk all the way up there. You guys can see. So right up there, I used to walk, and I'll have a picture. I don't know if it's even open. They might actually have it closed. Might be too much snow. But yep, here's parking lot, visitor center, and still an absolutely amazing view. Well, I can kind of see why. Bicycles and pedestrians prohibited behind this point. And if we kind of take a look, well, stop. I don't think this might have an area like name, and if it does, I'll just put it on a screen. But I was here last time. However, I was like all the way right over here. I didn't go like this far. I'm actually going like right where all those people are at. And I can tell you, I should have worn my hiking boots because my shoes are soaked. Been walking through like a lot of snow melt and slush, and it's freezing, and my feet are cold. But that's okay, because if you're an adventurer, you will be working your way all the way up there to get a really good picture and a really great view of this. Alright, so this part of the video was just extremely windy. You could barely even hear me, but basically what I was just trying to say is that mountain weather can change in a heartbeat. It can change within 30 minutes. It can even change within an hour. It can be sunny at one point, and then 30 minutes or an hour later, it can be completely stormy by the next. And that's exactly what I was mentioning, that there was a storm coming my way, and even off in one distance that there was even a snow band. So yeah, it's just how mountain weather works, and stuff can just change just right in a heartbeat, and I just wanted to just hurry up and just get off the mountain. My campsite. I got a lot to unpack. It's wet, it's raining over here. This is my tent pad. Got to take out all my food and everything, my clothes and stuff like that are up there. And then I'm actually right next to a river because I can actually hear it. So I'm gonna go check that out really quickly, and then we're gonna set up the tent site. Alright guys, well, my campsite is all set up right now. Now, it's still raining. It's still raining. So, according to what I at least last saw, this is going to be going on till like the evening hours. Right now it's about 4 o'clock. It says it should stop around 6 or 7. We'll see. Until then, I mean, I really can't cook anything. I can't do anything like that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to be driving to Estes Park, and that's really like close to Rocky Mountain, at least where I'm at. So I'm going to be going over there, and I'll be checking some radar and doing some stuff. But until then, I mean, I'm kind of just stuck here in the rain and just, yeah. I mean, what are you going to do? I mean, this is camping. This is camping in the mountains. All right, I am back. I am cooking dinner right now. It's called a tinfoil meal. Basically all it just is just ground beef, some corn, and then some salt and pepper. Practically you just steam it. You just put foil over it and you just let the steam do its work, and there we go. It's still windy. It has cleared up, as you can see. Nice blue skies over here. So I'm probably not going to do a campfire probably at all. Alright, so I lied right here. I actually ended up getting some firewood and actually getting ready to do a bonfire. Well, I am back by the fire. It feels really good. Temperatures are actually staying nice and comfortable right now, probably in the 50s. I mean, obviously temperatures are just going to fall from here on out throughout the overnight hours until we get to our overnight low. But, as before, as I showed you before we went inside a tent, have an amazing fire. So, now the nice thing about here, and now I'm in Aspenglen. I'm in Aspenglen Campground here in Rocky Mountain National Park. And the nice thing about this, and I don't know if they do it for all the campgrounds, I would assume so, but the wood is actually very dry. So here's a big bundle of wood. You get like smaller pieces rather than big chunk pieces. There's probably like 15 of them or something like that I got. They were about $6. But the best part about this, the reason why the wood was all dry is because it was all in a shack. So it was inside a shack and it stayed dry away from the elements, especially from the rain earlier. So that was really nice. So this wood it lit up very easily. So, but yeah, so yeah, I got a little fire, got my bundle of wood, got my water bottle, drink a little water. I'm exhausted. There's my little camp right there. And I still haven't installed those poles yet. I don't know if I'm going to, just because it's just too windy and I just think it's just gonna knock down I forget what it's called. It's basically kind of like it's called something. I don't know what it's called. But anyway, I am going to enjoy this fire and just relax the rest of the night. So until then, I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 2 of my Rocky Mountain National Park camping trip. And tomorrow is just a free-for-all. Probably gonna do a lot of hiking and exploring. So until then, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.